Niue is an island in the heart of the South Pacific. It's an uplifted coral island, and there are no rivers or streams feeding into the ocean, so the water is amazingly clear. Alright, we are still in Niue, and the Buccaneer Niue Dive Center is picking us up from the boat this morning. We're gonna go dive.
Yes.
Why are you so excited about this dive?
I'm not that excited.
Yeah, she's not, because she's afraid of two things of diving, and both of them are involved with this dive, which are...
Caves.
And?
Sea snakes.
Yes. So we should see both sea snakes and caves today. So Laura's not too happy about that.
No. Hopefully everything comes slow. Slow for me.
I want a lot of snakes out of caves.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You're gonna see a seizure in a cave then.
From our mooring, we could see the dive boat being lowered into the water. It was just a 5-minute ride over to the dive spot. As soon as Laura put her face in the water, she saw a snake. Relax, relax, relax. There's a snake. I was pretty amazed by how many snakes we saw. Sea snakes are more venomous and lethal than a cobra snake, but cases of them biting divers are exceedingly rare. The moorings at the Niue Yacht Club are quite robust. Sea snakes are very curious creatures, and this one swam with us for quite a long time. And then it was time for the cave diving. Our dive master said he saw 7 or 8 snakes in the cave, but I only caught a couple of them on camera. It was pretty neat being able to surface inside the cave and take a breath, although it did taste a little stale. big surge came into the cave and threw me up against the ceiling. It took a moment before I was able to right myself. Unharmed, we continued on. The dive master said snakes will often come up to your face mask to try to see their own reflection. If you're ever in Niue, be sure to check out the guys at Buccaneer Dive Center. Please click that subscribe button and visit sailingdoodles.com to become a patron for as little as $1 a week.